let's watch our screencast on how to get a Russian native speaker status in Russia. Let's go. All right, so here is the commercial offer for getting the Russian native speaker status, as we call it. And yeah, all right, so this is the main goal, right? So we need to get the Russian native speaker status for further obtaining the permanent residence permit or Russian citizenship through the simplified procedure. So let's check who are eligible. First, you can speak Russian on basic level. Also, you have the residence permit in Russia, or you don't have this residence permit, but you have relatives, for example, like mother, father, grandparents, parents, who previously used to live in Russia and they had the residence permit. All right. So in order to get the Russian native speaker status, you have to pass the special exam, the special interview with the inspector of the main department of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Russia. Okay, so there are several options for passing this exam. Basically, tests. It could be a test of the Russian language, history, and legislation. Also, some sort of a oral dialogue in Russian with the inspector, so he or she may ask questions about your life in Russia, about your family, work. So also, they can just, ask you about some sort of Russian film. So they can just play some sort of a film, and you have to retell the essence of this movie. So, in practice, the inspector simply will have a conversation in Russian language. So then she or he can just check, are you really the Russian native speaker? Okay, so here you can check the advantages of having this status. Then let's check out the stages of work. So first of all, of course, we'll sign the contract and terms of preference. Then we need to collect certain documents. So here you can check the list of these documents. We need to prepare them as well. And also all documents which are in not in Russian language must be translated and notarized. Then we would submit these documents. You'll be accompanied by our English-speaking lawyer. So within 2 weeks after acceptance of these documents, the foreign national will be given an appointment for this exam for the Russian native speaker test. So of course, our lawyers will give you a consultation on how to be prepared for successful passing of this exam. It will. The examination time is around like half an hour or an hour, something like this, around like 40 to 45 minutes. Actually, so once you've passed this test, you'll be issued with the certificate of Russian native speaker. Then within 10 days, you will receive this certificate. Here you can check the cost and payment procedure. So the total cost for our service is 70,000 rubles. As always, you'll pay the advance payment, which is non-refundable, in the amount of 40,000 rubles, and then you pay the rest only when we got accepted to set a date for the examination. Then here you can check the payment options and overhead costs. I wish you good luck to get the Russian native speaker status. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching our screencast. I hope it was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Telegram channel, and all our social media. Stay tuned.